up, guys? Mike here. Today I got an insane stock for you guys that it is right now pretty bullish, and I am really bullish on it. And I think we are going to make a fantastic trade. We are going to make some nice profits off this and some nice gains. And we are also going to do some options on this stock. I think it is a perfect time to get in and do a trade. It is already pretty bullish. We are going to go over the charts. We're going to go over the technical analysis, where to buy, where to sell, all those targets you need to know. And at the end, we'll also go over some option plays that you can choose from if you choose to do so or go on that path, because the options are pretty cheap on this stock and you can make several hundreds of percentage of returns on your money because it is very easy, especially since this stock is really bullish. And I think you can make some nice gains on it. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button. Hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Also, come on and check out my Patreon page. It is still on sale. This is the last month I'm having the sale, so make sure to check it out. Come join me. Come trade with us. Come make some nice returns with us. We have been doing some really good trades the past 2 weeks, and I want you guys to be part of that and come and trade with us. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Let's just begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what is going on with the chart on Pinterest. Right now, it has become really bullish. Just check out what it is trading right now. Look at that. It just crossed over the MACD histogram, shifting up. Look at that. That is a beautiful buy signal telling you to get in right now, and you have plenty of time to still get in. We just crossed the 5-day and the 20-day. Look at that. 5 and 20 already being crossed and going above the 5-day and the 20-day moving average. You cannot get any more bullish signal than that telling you it is time to buy. It is still pretty much undervalued, below a 45 RSI. It is still good. It is just starting to take off, and I think we have plenty of space to make some good money on it. What I see right now is we have a chance of Pinterest going somewhere around 60 to 65 bucks, somewhere in there. Maybe around 62 to 64, 65 is where I see a lot of resistance, and that's the target for me where I would start selling, somewhere between here, right? That's our target zone to sell. Right now is a perfect opportunity to buy. It is a great time to buy. There is no reason why you shouldn't buy, especially since everything is moving up. Histogram shifted up. MACD gave you a signal to buy. His TSI gave you a signal to buy. Everything is pointing up here, right? Look at that. Beautiful. Everything pointing up. We were trading in a box too, which is even better. I like how we are trading inside this box here. And we almost broke out. It almost broke out of the box and started taking off, but it had some sell pressure on Friday. Not too much, right? It didn't have too much. There wasn't too much price action, right? It was just a small price action day. Volume was very small, only about 8 million versus the larger volumes it usually actually gets, right? Pinterest gets about 10 million volumes. Look at that, only 6 million, and they popped up. But with 8 million, it was just too much. It didn't get too much volume and moving up and down. It was just the whole day was pretty much average, right? If we look at the 1-day chart on Friday, it was just up, down, it's just trading sideways, right? So it's pretty good. It's been on a nice bullish streak besides just Friday, just trading sideways, and I think it has plenty of room to keep going. We can see that if we go on tip ranks, they are saying this stock is worth at least $71. We are trying to sell this around between 64 to 66, somewhere around there. Hopefully 62 to 65 bucks. A lot of people saying this can go easily to 70 to 68, right? And they just gave you all these signals about 1 month ago, which is still good. Look at all these. About 1 month ago, in the last few people are still saying this stock is worth at least $70+. The lowest you see is 68 in the last month. I think we have plenty of room for this stock to keep going, especially how this stock has been running up every day the past few days. The whole market has been going up for sure. But Pinterest, you cannot get any more bullish than that when you get a signal that it is crossing over both the 5 and the 20. It is trading above both the 5 and the 20. That is a super bullish signal, and this is where you want to be in, all right? When the stock is trading above the 5 and the 20, perfect opportunity to build your position. It just started to break out, and I think you guys should get in, right? We are going to go over some options now where you guys can choose to get in if you decide to get in some options or not. That is going to be all up to you, and you're going to have to take those risks if you want to get in some options with me. All right, guys, so if you want to join me doing options on this, I think the best choice to do is the $65 call option. It is really, really cheap. It's the September 17. Make sure you're clicking buy call. It has a large volume, about 706 people. That's your volume. It is pretty good. I've checked out all the other ones. The volume is horrible, right? We are thinking about trading this to 65 regardless. So I think this option is going to be worth its bang for its buck. We can make a several 100% return on our money on this, specifically if it gets to 65. The point of this option is not for this stock to get to 65 or trade above it. It is just for us to make a few 100% return on it. Whether it's trading around 62 to 63, 64, we are going to sell this option. We are not planning on keeping this to hit 65 plus, all right? The point of this option call is not to hold it for 65 plus. The whole point of this is for it to get up there from 57 to about 65, double, triple our money on this option call, and make some profits and take some profits home, all right? A lot of people don't understand options, and I want to be very frank with you. You do not have to have the stock reaching the option price you are buying, all right? Please get that straight, right? The whole point of options is that you are betting that this stock is going to go up, and it does not ever have to hit your strike price, right? You just need your option to increase in value, right? This is what is important. This, not as much, right? And this is very important, and so is your IV, all right? These three are your most important things to look at. Not exactly where the strike is. You have to know where your share price is, and you have to understand where does this stock go? Where can this stock go? And as we can see, this stock has the potential to hit between 62 to about 64, 65, all right? That is why we are going to choose the $65 option, right? We have about almost over a month, half a month, excuse me, to get there, right? And already Pinterest is pretty bullish. I think it's going to get around 62 to 64 at least, and we will have our option going up in value a lot. We'll probably get a couple 100% return before it even gets there, and the whole point of it is just to increase your money, right? Don't think about the $65 price, right? Think about your premium that you're paying for this option. That is the most important thing when it comes to options. People are very confused. They don't understand. They think it has to hit $65, but it does not have to. All right, we are just trading from 57 all the way to 65, and it doesn't even have to hit 65. It could hit 62 to 64, and our option will go up in value within the next week, and we will make some nice returns on our money. All right, that's all that's important, and that is all I want to stress out. If you do options, you do not have to have your option going to where your strike price is, but it does have to keep going up in value over time, right? Time is the most important factor. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys there. I post some sells there. I post a lot of other interesting things that you might need to know regarding the market. So come and follow my Instagram page. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you might have a question on, or if you have a specific question on this stock, leave a comment below, and I'd be happy to help you out or answer any questions that you might have. Also, check out my Patreon page. Come join us. Come trade with us. Come make some nice gains with us. And if you want to learn how to trade better, come and join me, and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Come and check out my Patreon page. Also, do not miss out on the promotion going on right now with WeBull, where you could get 2 free stocks, 1 just for signing up to their platform, and 1 additional stock extra to that one. When you make a deposit of only $5, WeBull will give you 2 total stocks for free, and one of those will be valued from $8 all the way up to $2,000. Do not miss out on the promotion going on with WeBull. Also, if you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out really good stocks. Please check them out. Link in the description box below for WeBull and FirstTrade. And of course, finally, we have Robinhood. You can get another free stock for them just for signing up using the links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.